Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
White noise for baby sleep. Is it safe and how to use it? Babies often throw tantrums during sleep time, and some even have a hard time falling back asleep when they wake up in the middle of the night. You may have heard of white noise, which helps in making a baby fall asleep. What is white noise? White noise is the sound you hear when all the audible sound frequencies are played simultaneously at the same volume. A good example is the sound of waves and the ocean breeze when you stand on a cliff, the constant tone of a ceiling fan, or the sound of rain. White noise contains all the frequencies of sound. It can be used to mask or drown out any other sound. Is white noise safe for babies? White noise can be safely used for babies if it meets certain safety criteria. The sound machine shouldn't exceed 50 decibels in its output and shouldn't be used every time. As shown by one study, there are some concerns that babies tend to have developmental delays in speech and hearing when they are exposed to white noise for long periods. The key is to let them hear other clear sounds, such as speech, so their auditory system doesn't process sound information in fuzzy ways. Why is white noise used for babies? Reduces stress. White noise gives babies a sense of safe space by blocking out disturbing external sounds as they get overwhelmed by all the lights, new faces, sounds and sensations. It helps babies sleep. White noise works as an influential sleep association for babies. White noise also helps them fall back asleep after sleep arousal occurs every 20 to 45 minutes. Babies cry less when exposed to white noise. White noise is similar to the whooshing noise made by blood flowing through the arteries around the uterus. White noise lowers the risk of SIDS. It is known that white noise reduces active sleep in babies, which is the same sleep state when SIDS occurs. White noise also helps you sleep better. White noise helps babies and parents sleep better with it, as when babies sleep sound, parents get their sleep too. Children wane off white noise as they grow. Parents can stop using white noise for babies after the first year of their child's birth. How you can use white noise for baby sleep. White noise apps or CDs are great to get your baby to sleep. Keep your phone or CD player far so that the noise level doesn't exceed 50 decibels. You can also use radio and play static, the shush sound played between stations, to act as white noise. A constant whoosh from a table or ceiling fan is also an excellent white noise to help your baby fall asleep. Are there any disadvantages of white noise for infants? White noise machines for infants can sometimes exceed the limitation, set at 50 decibels. One study conducted by the American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, showed that all of the 14 tested white noise devices exceeded the limit. Prolonged exposure to white noise is associated with delays and problems with speech and hearing development. Some babies may even become dependent on white noise as a sleep prop and find it difficult to sleep without it. White noise doesn't work for all babies. In some, it might lead to sleep disturbances or agitation. Getting your baby to sleep at night can be a tough feat. White noise is a safe and effective way to help babies sleep when used within the recommended parameters.